Hi, my name is Lynn David and I'm with Clients First Business Solutions. This demonstration is going to cover the customer shipment and master pack shipment in Epicor 9. We'll use the pack out option in customer shipment entry and utilize the master pack shipment and stage confirmation. The purpose of the pack out tab lets you pack the order directly in the customer shipment entry. What happens is the item status will automatically change from picking to picked. The purpose of the master pack shipment lets you combine 2 or more pack IDs to ship under one master pack ID. The one requirement for the master pack is that all the pack IDs listed in the master pack must have the same ship to address. Here, I just like to show you the flow of what we'll be performing in Epicor in this demonstration. First, we'll go into sales order entry and create 2 orders. Then we'll go to the fulfillment workbench and release for picking. Next, we'll go to the customer shipment entry and use the pack out tab. After that, we'll go to the master pack shipment entry and create our master pack ID. And then finally, we'll go into the stage ship confirm entry and confirm our shipment. It's time now to go into Epicor. So we'll open Epicor up, and the first place we want to go to is opening up order entry. Here in order entry, we're going to go to the summary tab. The reason why we're going to the summary tab is because we'll be creating a quick order entry. And what that means is that all the information will be entered on this one screen. We'll need to go up to New and select New Order. Then we'll have to enter in our customer ID and press Tab. Next, we have the option of entering a PO number. Sometimes your customer will supply a PO number that they would like linked to their sales order. So we'll go ahead and enter a PO number in and press Tab. Next, you'll need to select your need by date and then followed by your ship by date. Then we go ahead and click Save, and you'll notice the sales order number will automatically populate in the sales order number field. Our next step is to go up to New and select New Line. Here you'll notice on the bottom you now have an area where you can enter in your part ID. So we'll enter a part ID in and press Tab. Notice the description of the part automatically populates. Next, go to your order quantity field and enter in a quantity and press Tab. Next, go up and click your Save button. And you'll notice after you click Save, your order total will populate. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clear the screen so we can enter in a second order. Again, I want to go up to New and select New Order. I'll want to enter in my customer ID again. Again, I'll pick a PO number and enter it in and press Tab. Selecting the need by date is next, and then followed by the ship by date again. Then I'll go ahead and click Save. And again, your sales order number has now populated. Now go back to the New and select New Line. We'll go to the bottom and we will enter in a part number and press Tab. Here's your description. Go to the order quantity field, enter in a quantity and press Tab. And then go back up to the Save button and click Save. And now your order total once again has populated. We can now exit the sales order entry. The next task that we're going to perform is release for picking. In order to do that, we're going to have to go ahead and open up the fulfillment workbench. Here we're going to go to our order fulfillment tab and click Search. Here I want to bring in the 2 sales orders I just entered in the sales order entry, so I'll enter the order number in, press Tab, and then enter in the second order number, and then click Search. Here you'll notice that in the search results on the bottom are my sales order numbers. I'm going to go ahead and select both, so select all, and then click OK. And now you'll notice that my sales orders are displaying in the grid. Next, I want to go ahead and select all. I want to select both orders. I want to go to Actions. I'm going to select Reserve and Release for Picking, and I'm going to select the primary warehouse only. That's where I want the picking to be done from. So go ahead and click that. You'll notice a window pops up that says Selected for Picking, and click OK. Here I'll need to choose the Pick Date Assignment option. I'm going to choose the Ship by Date and click OK. And now you'll notice that in the picking column my quantities are now located. And for this demonstration I'll click No for printing the material queue. Now we can go ahead and close the fulfillment workbench. The sales orders are now ready to be packed out. In order to do this, we're going to have to go ahead and open up the customer shipment entry screen. Here we're going to go to the Pack Out tab so we can use the Pack Out option. First, we'll need to go to the New and select New Pack. Next, we'll need to enter in our sales order number and press Tab. Notice the cursor will automatically go to the part field. Also too, you can take note that it now displays your order on the bottom of the screen. We're going to enter in our part number and press Tab. Notice the primary fields automatically populate with the information needed. We'll simply need to enter in our quantity and press Tab. Now you'll notice on the bottom, under the total pack quantity column, it has your quantity that you have now packed out. Next, we'll go up to Actions and select Close. And now you'll notice your status is closed. Go ahead and click Save. And now we're going to clear the screen so we can pack out our second sales order. Go back to New and select New Pack. Enter in our second sales order number and press Tab. Then enter in our part number and press Tab. And then finally enter in our quantity and press Tab. And again, notice now your total pack quantity is 100. Last step would be to go to Actions and select Close. And now we can go ahead and click Save. And we can exit the customer shipment entry. The customer shipment pack IDs are now ready to be incorporated into one master pack ID. So for that, we'll need to open up the master pack shipment entry. Before I create the master pack ID, there's two pieces of information that you'll need to know. First, the pack ID must be closed status. You'll notice when we were in the customer shipment entry, I went into Actions and selected Closed. The second piece of information is in the stage field. In order to ship a master pack, you must create a workstation and designate it as a pack station. So now let's go ahead and create a master pack ID. We'll go up to New and select New Master Pack. Notice your shipment type defaults to sales order. Next, I want to select the Ship Via. For this example, I'll choose UPS Ground and save. Next, I'll go up to New and select New Pack. Here, I want to enter in my first pack ID and press Tab. Then click Save. Then next, I'll click New again and select New Pack and enter in my second pack ID and press Tab. And then go ahead and click Save again. Now go back to the Summary tab. You'll notice that both pack IDs display on the bottom. Here I want to choose my stage and then press Save. And then next you want to go up into Actions and you want to select Stage. This note here saying Manifest is not enabled for the current workstation. You have the option on the workstation to link it to a manifest. For this workstation, it is not linked, so just go ahead and click OK. And now you'll notice your status is now staged. You can go ahead and click Save, and we can exit the master pack shipment. Our final task is now to go into Stage Ship Confirm Entry and ship our master pack ID. First, we'll go up and click the binoculars, click Search, and our pack ID displays. We'll click OK, and now our master pack ID displays in the grid. Next, you want to select the master pack ID, go to Actions, and then select Ship Confirm. And now you'll notice that your ship status is checked and you have your ship date. Go ahead and click Save, and now you can exit the Stage Ship Confirm. And so finally, this will conclude the demonstration on the customer shipment entry using the pack out option, as well as the master pack shipment and Stage Ship Confirm. Thank you.